guys, check this out. Real short video here, but I want to show you this little two-seat go-kart that we picked up. This thing needs everything, but other than everything, it's great. And I do some playing with this thing here over the winter, but I wanted to get it out and show it to you before modifications because this thing is just such a vintage piece. I don't know what era that engine is, but it is, I gotta guess, early to mid-80s. And it turns over. I doubt we'll keep it on there, but that's something to play with for a later date. It is a live axle, which is kind of cool, but you can see the tires are about slam wore out. Now, this one does have a band brake. It's not scrub brake, so it's a little better unit overall, and it does have bearings for the live axle. It's a two-seater, but only sort of. Anyway, check out the label here. It is a streaker. And I don't know, if anybody knows anything about these, let me know. The pace setter, the streaker pace setter. Till next time, my friends, take care.